Namaskar. Years passed and one day, one of his students became a scientist at ISRO. बुद्धि युक्तो जहातीय उभय सुकृत दुष्कृते तस्मात् योगाय युज्यस्व योग कर्मसु कौशलम. That is what the Gita mean by yoga hai karmasu kaushalam. Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. I am Garima from class 12 and today I want to share a thought that's deeply meaningful in our fast-paced world. Karma, the power of selfless action. Let me begin with a shlok from the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2 in verse 50. Buddhi yukto jahatiha ubhay shukat dushkrate tashmat yoga yajashva yoga karma sukaushalam. It means a wise person gives up both good and bad results of action. So, be steadfast in the path of yoga. Yoga is skill in action. Lord Krishna teaching that true karma is not just about doing things. It's about doing them skillfully, mindfully, and without attachment to the outcome. The real mastery lies not in craving success or fearing failure, but focusing on the quality and the intention behind the action itself. Let me tell you a story that brings this teaching to life. In a quiet village, there was a simple school teacher. He had no blackboard, no proper classroom, just a tree under which he taught poor children every day. People mocked him saying, "What's the point? No one will notice your efforts." But he never stopped. He was not teaching for fame. He was doing his karma, his duty, with love and honesty. Years passed and one day, one of his students became a scientist at ISRO and another became a respected IAS officer. They did not just succeed, they carried the light the teacher has ignited. The teacher didn't chase for success. He simply acted with skill, with heart, and without expectation. That is what the Gita means by yoga hai karmasu kaushalam. Yoga is excellence in action. In today's world, we often rush to results, but karma is not about rushing. It's about doing the right thing with the right mind. Because, as they say, slow and steady wins the race. Consistent, sincere efforts may take time, but it always leaves a deeper impact and lasting value. So, let's not wait for applause to start acting. Let's do what's right, even when no one is watching. Because true karma builds the world silently, like roots that grow deep before a tree rises high. Remember, every small act of kindness, every honest effort, and every moment of patience add up to a larger change. It is through these consistent, unnoticed actions that we shape our character and create a better future, not only for ourselves, but for everyone around us. This is the essence of karma, the humble, powerful force that guides life, beyond success or failure. So, embrace your duties wholeheartedly. Work with integrity and trust that the universe will reward your sincerity in a way you might never expect. Thank you.